Good morning, my name is Victoria and I'm going to talk about Unit 7, making prediction. The goal is discussing prediction for your company or sector and talking about plans and intentions. As I understood, we saw things that will serve use now that we enter working life. The topic to watch are and first opening and closing mails, second prediction, and organizational progress. On the next slide, I show you the first example of the grazing in the unit. We usually to be going to infinitive verb for action that will happen very soon or to express a plan you have. We use use it to express a promise, a prediction, or something that you want to do in the future. Example: I will fly to England. I don't have a flight ticket. The structure we use is subject, will, verb in form base. To England is complement. Then we have be going to. Example: I have got a ticket. I'm going to fly to England. The structure we use subject, verb to be, subject, verb to be, going to, and verbs in form past. And complement. Another example is the future with going to and with. Going to planning events and intentions. Example: she is going to attend college. We're going to the movie next week. And will recent decisions promise predictions. Example: I think we'll go to that party next week. The economy will get better soon. Yes, I will marry you. How we can see we not use evidence while going to those who according to a study or test. Below we have present simple continuous and be going to, but going to and present continuous are used to talk about future actions and events that have some present reality. Use the present simple for schedules or time tablet events in future. Example: we are going to get new windows. Present continuous and they going to For retention of lands, example, we are getting new windows, but used to the verb to be. Vocabulary. First we have the word complete as an example. I try to complete everything on my to-do list by the end of every day refers to completion of and seen class were the following words. Remember, example, I use email reminders to help me remember where and when I need to go. Divide, divide example, my tasks into two lists, think for now and think for the future. After set the line example, it's important to set the lines that you can meet to avoid stress. Enhance, example, people use a wide range of techniques to enhance, take the pursuit of, in working in a team or being able to delegate can take the resource. Limit. Example, I limit my email use to 1 hour a day maximum. Priority, I find it difficult to prioritize and tend to do the easy things first, not the most important things. And relax, example, I don't know, when I'm stressed, I try to relax, be going for walk. We use time to express ourselves in the situations of daily life. Below, I will introduce you email, where we can see the points on container for the correct elaboration. This will help you to get the messenger sent to understand, have good wording, and be keen. As shown in the image, we have the greeting as service to greet whether formal or informal. And there, Mr. Full name, hi, Victoria. And second, as shown in the image, we open the body of the messenger with a phrase that can be present or breaking the ice. Is the first line. Example, I greet you, Victoria, and you don't know what to do when you are using this command. And after describing our messenger to communicate, we have to close it with a farewell as shown in the photo. Closing line is closing line. Finally, we bought the greeting where we can wish you well. Example, sincerely yours. Um, and I don't know, goodbye. In conclusion, even though it was a short drive, we have learned a lot about emails because we always send them out wrong. I also like that we learning to differentiate how to communicate when we have evidence of something. Um, I think that helps us to improve communication because many times in misunderstand situations. I think it's all from me. For your attention. Thank you very much.